It is a beautiful day and I am putting up open house signs for this weekend. Now, as a seller, you may wonder, do open houses actually really work? And my answer is yes, they do. Why? Because you have a lot of people come through. Now, maybe not somebody who might be actually interested in purchasing, but they might know somebody who is. Or somebody that was on the fence after they seen the Zillow pictures of like, oh, this house isn't going to be for me, but they walk through and they realize, hey, this house actually is for me, I love it. But they wouldn't have taken the time personally to go do it, but as they're driving around, they'll pop in. So I highly recommend as a seller to hold an open house, have your realtor do it because that's who needs to be doing it. And then for me personally, if we don't get any action on the house and no offers, I continue to do them every 6 weeks to 2 months until we get an offer on. And I've had a lot of success with getting offers after multiple open houses. That was a unique situation or a unique house. So yes, they work. Your realtor needs to do them. And if you have any questions on why, let me know. I'll be happy to answer. Bye guys.